Teaching silent letters in English. Hi, friends. Welcome to TV3 English with Tom, where learning is fun, fast, and fabulous. Today, we're learning into the mystery of silent letters. Yep, English has a bunch of sneaky letters that show up in words but don't make a sound. Let's explore the silent consonants together. Ready? Silent A. Yep, even A can go quiet sometimes. Bread, bread, bread. Head, head, head. Dead, dead, dead. Meadow, meadow, meadow. No clear A sound, just blend it smoothly. Silent B. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Comb, comb, comb. Debt, debt, debt. Climb, climb, climb. Lamb, lamb, lamb. Numb, numb, numb. Limb, limb, limb. Silent C. Scene, scene, scene. Science, science, science. Muscle, muscle, muscle. Fascinate, fascinate, fascinate. Disciple, disciple, disciple. That C is just chilling there, not making a sound. Silent D. Now meet the shy silent D. It show up in some surprising places. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Handkerchief, handkerchief, handkerchief. Badge, badge, badge. Pledge, pledge, pledge. Handsome, handsome, handsome. No strong D sound, just soft and sneaky. Silent E, this one is a trickster. Silent E doesn't make a sound, but it changes everything. Name, name, name. Love, love, love. Fake, fake, fake. Age, age, age. Bridge, bridge, bridge. Hate, hate, hate. That little E helps long vowels shine. Silent G. The silent G often found with N. Foreign, foreign, foreign. Align, align, align. Silent H. Time for silent H. Sometimes it just disappears. Hour, hour, hour. Honest, honest, honest. Vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. What? 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 Where? 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 School, school, school. No huh sound at all. Weird, right? Silent K. One of my favorites. Silent K. Knife, knife, knife. Knee, knee, knee. Knock, knock, knock. Night, night, night. That K is just showing off. Silent L. Silent L is super sneaky. Walk, walk, walk. Talk, talk, talk. Calm, calm, calm. Half, half, half. Chalk, chalk, chalk. Salmon, salmon, salmon. Just pretend the L is on vacation. Silent N. Silent N comes at the end of some fancy words. Autumn, autumn, autumn. Column, column, column. Damn. damn, damn. Him, him, him. Don't say the N, just drop it. Silent P, silent P, yep, that's a thing. Psychology, psychology, psychology. Receipt, receipt, receipt. The P is all looks, no sound. Silent S. Silent S is rare, but it happens. Island, island, island. Ale, ale, ale. Debris, debris, debris. Just trust your eyes, not your ears. Silent T. Silent T! That one gets quiet too. Listen, listen, listen. Castle, castle, castle. Whistle, whistle, whistle. Come on, stay with me. Don't lose focus. This lesson's important. Silent U. Next up, the undercover silent U. Guitar, guitar, guitar. Guard, guard, guard. Tongue, tongue, tongue. Guilty, guilty, guilty. Guest, guest, guest. That U is just tagging along for the ride. No sound. Silent W. And finally, the mysterious silent W. Right, right, right. Wrist, wrist, wrist. Sword, sword, sword. Two, two, two. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Wrinkle, wrinkle, wrinkle. Wrestle, wrestle, wrestle. W just vanishes like magic. Can you name a few silent words that weren't in this video? And there you have it, a whole bunch of silent letters that love to hide in plain sight. Practice these words and impress your friends with your smooth, silent spelling skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. See you next time. Bye. Oh wait, almost forgot to say this. Make sure to stick around for our next lessons. We start from, "Hi, how are you?" and take you all the way to, "Let me elaborate on that." Step by step from beginner to pro. Soon you'll be correcting your English teacher. Politely, of course. And don't forget to drop your feedback and suggestions. We can take it. We're emotionally strong.